Artnaturals, tea tree oil. 50 fluid ounces, 15 milliliters. Product overview description. Purifying cleaning promoting wellness pure and national essential oil cruelty free from nature, for you tested and verified for purity no synthetic ingredients. Native to Australia is the popular, steam-distilled tea tree oil, melaleuca alternifolia. Tea tree has a cool, exhilarating scent that awakens the mind, enhancing focus, movement, and ambition. Suggested use. Add up to 10 drops to your Artnaturals diffuser to enhance overall wellness. DIY, in a small container, combine 10 drops with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Massage onto sore and tight muscles. Add 6 drops of tea tree, 4 drops of lemon, and 3 drops of geranium, to 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Use as a blemish soother. Other ingredients. Steam-distilled melaleuca alternifolia, tea tree, oil from Australia. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. Dilute essential oils 20 times the volume with a carrier oil prior to skin application. Photosensitivity can occur when using citrus oils. Avoid tanning booths. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Avoid eye contact. If pregnant or breastfeeding, consult a health professional before use. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.